Hey guys, long time no see. If you are new, welcome. My name's Sadie. I am a stay-at-home wife. I have chronic pain, TMJ. I will list the little thingy here, what that is. It's miserable. I make lifestyle cleaning and decorating videos. So today's video, shit. I know I have been gone. It's been a while. To make it short and simple, my mental health has been a shitter. I have not been feeling great in many areas of my life, mostly within myself, and I'm trying to find some joy and light again. And I don't know how that's gonna look or how to create it, but I'm taking small steps. In today's video, I have some cleaning to get done, just a little bit, laundry of course, because that's always piling up. And then I'm going to start taking down my spring decor and storing it away because fall is approaching. I made me a PSL today. I'm super excited for the season. It's the one time a year that I feel true joy about like something traditional. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. Just put things away, tidy up. You guys enjoy and let's get started.
When you're lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Whoa, I'll be beside you all alone. My love for you is so strong.
I'm gonna start on laundry now because there's a lot of it. That takes hours to do.
Wander around the same old town. Your best kept secrets underground. Oh, your hand on my chest, my heart beats for you. I keep my arms out and hold you like before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Oh, I'll be beside you all along. My love for you is so strong. We're right where we belong. Together we can go slow. I feel the most when I'm alone. I think of you 'cause when you're gone, I remember the feelings, they're hidden in the dark. I never left my feelings shown. I feel precious longing to be waking up.
Okay, so I just collected this frame. This one is actually from Dollar Tree. I kind of hate that I'm gonna need a new one because it's not $1.25. It's like $1.50, maybe $1.75. I'm unsure. It's broken. It broke. I'm like, I have tape all around it, but I need to use this, so I don't know. I may just stick with being cheap ass and just stick with the tape on the back because the frame is still nice. It's just, you know, the things that secure it are just shit. So I mean, you can't expect much out of $1. Gathered the spatulas, which I'll just throw in here along with all of this greenery.
And what's the point to be alone? My life is empty without you, there'd be no home. I done wrong in the past, but I was fighting in the dark, and I won't hold my feelings back anymore. I wanna kiss the way we used to anymore. You don't have to wait anymore. I'm holding on to feelings that I'm pour out on me. I feel the most when I am all alone. These feelings are so hard to show you. I think of you 'cause I have not forgot the feelings that I still have for you anymore. I wanna kiss the way we used to anymore. You don't have to wait anymore. I'm holding on to feelings that I pour out on me.
I'm just gonna have my coffee and take a break because I'm burning up for one, and I'm getting tired. I don't know if I'm crashing. I've been playing music. I was gonna do like aesthetic, like just natural noise and stuff, but Free has the tendency to bark all the time now at random noises. It's really hard to get her not to bark. She's really grown into herself. I don't know, and also I just feel like I overthink when I have to really, like, when I focus too much on it being aesthetically pleasing, and it's just not me. I'm not really like that. So I'm trying to just be more of myself. So this is it. This is what you get if you want it. If not, thank you for tuning in. I don't freaking know. Oh boy. I've gathered everything in the bin. I have this tripod set up a little too high, you can't see it, but it's all in here.
I wanna kiss the way we used to anymore. You don't have to wait anymore. I'm holding on to feelings that I'm pour out on me.
I am back. Hi, Free.
The most when I am all alone. These feelings are so hard to show you. I think of you 'cause I have not forgot the feeling.
So I think that's gonna be it. The house is pretty much bare. It's clean for the most part. I'm still working on laundry. That's gonna take all day, but I need a break because I'm hurting.